Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Lamborghini Urus in Driving Empire. The 2025 Urus SE can be unlocked for free by completing a time trial in the Lamborghini Lab. You'll need to finish the race in under 1 minute and 25 seconds. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can purchase the Urus SE directly for 400 Robux. This offers flexibility in how you add this impressive SUV to your collection. To begin your quest for the Urus, first open the in-game store. Look for the featured section, where you'll find the 2025 Urus SE. Click the free button associated with it, and you'll be instantly transported to the Lamborghini Lab preview area. From there, simply walk into the hexagonal display to fully enter the Lamborghini Lab play area and prepare for the time trial. Once inside the Lamborghini Lab, locate the time trial section, which is just outside the main building. Select the Urus and begin the race. Your objective is to complete the course in under 1 minute and 25 seconds. This might take a few attempts, as you'll need to get accustomed to the track and the car's handling. Keep practicing, and you'll achieve the required time. Once you successfully complete the time trial in under 1 minute and 25 seconds, warp back to Driving Empire. If the Urus SE doesn't appear in your garage right away, try rejoining the game. Then, open the in-game shop and look for a Claim Free Car button to officially add the Lamborghini Urus SE to your inventory. Enjoy driving your new premium SUV.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.